In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Teams meeting invite in Outlook. Let's start right inside Outlook. First, switch to your calendar view so you are looking at your schedule instead of your inbox. This gives you a clear picture of your availability and helps you pick a time that works. Once you are in the calendar, choose New Event. Depending on your version, you might see New Meeting instead. They do the same thing and will open a fresh meeting window. In the New Event window, look near the title field for the Teams meeting toggle. Turn this on. Flipping that switch is what generates the Microsoft Teams join details automatically, including the meeting link that attendees will use to join. You don't need to paste a link yourself. Outlook and Teams handle that for you. And it keeps everything consistent and easy for participants. Now fill in the meeting information. Start with a clear subject so people instantly know what the meeting is about. Pick the date and start and end times, and take a moment to confirm the time zone is correct, especially if you are coordinating across regions. For the location, you can keep it simple. If the meeting is fully online, it's fine to leave it as online or type Microsoft Teams. If it's hybrid, you can include a room name alongside Teams so attendees know whether to join in person or virtually. Add your attendees in the To field by typing their email addresses. Keep an eye on who truly needs to be there to respect everyone's time. In the body of the invite, include a short agenda or key talking points. This helps participants prepare and keeps the meeting focused. You can add context, goals, any links to files, or pre-reads if you have them. The Teams meeting link will appear automatically in the body when the toggle is on. So here is nothing else you need to generate for joining. Before you send, take a quick moment to review. Make sure the subject is clear, the date and time are correct. The attendees are added, and the agenda is helpful but concise. When everything looks right, click Send. Outlook will email the invitation to everyone you included, and the meeting will land on their calendars with the Teams link embedded. When it's time to meet, participants simply open the calendar event and select the join link to enter the meeting in Teams. That's all you need to create a clean professional Teams meeting invite right from Outlook. Thanks for watching.